Is it possible to make £1 million in 12 months trading the market? That's the main question I got yesterday after releasing my trading diary week 2 analysis. If you missed yesterday's roundup, where I go through my stocks in play and levels to watch out for, don't worry, because after this video, you'll have a better understanding of the analysis and the daily targets I'm aiming for. So once you've finished listening to this video, you can click the link in the description and watch the week 2 analysis. Or if you want to open your demo account, that's in the description too. Okay, now let's look at the maths to make 1 million in 12 months. If you look in cell E2, you can see my opening balance of £400, which is not entirely true, as I actually started with £300 and increased my balance to £700, then withdrew my initial deposit. So the money in this trading account is total profit. None of it is from my pocket, and this will become more important as I explain my trading behavior. So as you can see, if you look at the months, I am roughly doubling my balance each month, but only risking 1.7% of my overall balance on any one trade. Each day, my target is to make 40 points, with a stop loss of 20 points. Let's be honest, I won't make 40 points in every trade. Sometimes I'll only make 10, or sometimes I might make 100. It really depends on price action and the movement of the chart that will inform me on what I should do next. Now, as I said before, cut your losses quickly and let your winners run free. If I get stopped out after 20 points, then my initial hypothesis was wrong. I need to reevaluate. Then I place a second trade that does 60 points. I've done my target for the day. And if I can be consistent for the full 12 months, I'll be a millionaire. With that said, let's look at my performance for the first 4 days of June. As you can see, I've had 2 massive up days and 2 smaller down days, which has left just over £700 in my account. Let's jump to the trading platform to see the money in my account. So here we are on the trading platform. As you can see, current funds £703. I still have 2 trades in play, one on the S&P 500 and one on gold, which are currently in profit for £41. I'll let these continue to run as I think there is more profit in these trades. Looking at my current balance, I'm well ahead of the target. In fact, I've nearly hit the target for the month. The closing balance for June should be £834.66, but I'm already at 703, so nearly there. That's why it was so important to understand that none of this money in this account is actually mine. It's, in essence, paper money. I've already taken out my initial investment, so in essence, I could lose all of this money and still be fine. What it has done has allowed me to take more risk in growing my balance quickly at the beginning. Now that I've got momentum, I will be sticking to the daily amounts based on my current balance. I will have days when I lose, but the initial head start will mean that I stay on track for the £1 million. The trading forecast is only a guide, and sometimes I'm willing to take more than 1.7% risk on a trade, especially if I'm on a hot streak. However, this is something I do not recommend, as trying to claw back losses generally ends up with you losing more. For example, if I saw a setup that I could get 90 points from, I may increase my risk slightly by increasing my stop to 30 points. As you can see, the risk has gone up to 2.55%. So slightly more risk. And if I was to lose this trade, I'd still be in front of my monthly target. However, if I was to win, I could maybe continue with 2% risk or go back to the recommended until I see that one good trade. But this is not the best course of action, as I will be risking potentially more of my balance. 706.17 is where I am at the moment. I've taken all the risk at the beginning. So if I lower the average pound per point value to say 24p, which is the lowest you can trade stocks on the IG platform, then raised the point gain to 80 points and the balance risk to 55, I've now increased the spread of the trade, but only increased my risk by a small percentage. This is how to make consistent money in the market. Small with little risk and only taking trades that have an 80% chance of success. If you'd like to start practicing with the same platform I use and to be kept updated on my Millionaire March, then click on the link in the description to sign up for my newsletter. Please don't forget to like, comment and share if you found this information useful. I was Malachi Kelly. Happy trading.